Hello, welcome back with me, WDO. Now I'm gonna make a video about how to install this one, Netflix, on any kind of your old iPad model. Yeah, I mean old iPad model is the iOS 12, 11, 10 or something like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you how can I install this Netflix on this old iPad. This model is, as you can see, it's iPad Air 1. It can run Netflix smoothly, but if you're having a trouble to install Netflix on your old iPad, yeah, iOS 10, 9, 11 or 12, here is the way how to do it. Okay, so just straight to the point. Tell you, first of all, you have to have another iPhone, yeah, iPad or iPhone that has iOS 13 or later. So now here I got iPhone, yeah, iPhone 8 Plus with iOS 14. So as you can see, this one, yeah, iPhone 8 Plus with, we see the iOS, yeah, okay, yeah, as you can see, it's iOS 14, yeah, iOS 14. First of all, you have to download the Netflix, yeah, on your newer device with same Apple ID with your iPad. So I use my Apple ID here. I use this one, my Apple ID, yeah, this one, Apple ID, and you have to log in your Apple ID with your older device also. So you download Netflix here in the newer device, and then you can download Netflix on your old device. Yeah, so that's how it works. So now I'm gonna download it on my old iPad mini. So it's iPad mini. The iOS is, as you can see, it's the same Apple ID, and then its iOS is iOS 12. Yeah, as you can see, it's iOS 12. Now I'm gonna download the Netflix, yeah, because it has the same Apple ID with the newer iPhone. Go to the App Store, and then here is the Netflix, and you will see something like this, and then you just tap on it, and then yeah, download an older version. Yeah, if you see something like this, and it means that you can already download it, yeah, so something like that. So it is how you can download Netflix on your old iPad or iPhone, yeah. So I will that's all for my video. Yeah, maybe we should wait until it's done. So I will explain you again. So you have to have a newer model of iPhone that has iOS 13 or later, and then you can download the Netflix here with this, with the same Apple ID with your old iPad. So something like that. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment if you have the experience of, you have a problem to install Netflix, yeah, and in your on your old iPad or iPhone. So, and like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao ciao, bye bye.